Are you horrible at icing cupcakes? Well, here's how you can get better. But first, grab all your supplies and neatly organize them. Step 1. Choose your piping tip. This is how your icing will come out. Grab your piping bag and scissors. Cut the end of the piping bag until the hole is big enough to hold the piping tip. Then, slide the piping tip into the end of the bag. Grab a cup of your choice. Make sure it's the right size to fit your piping bag. Next, put the piping bag into your cup and fold your excess bag over the rim of the cup. Step 4. Take your icing and food coloring of your choice and mix them together until you receive your desired color. Be careful not to add too much so the icing isn't disgusting, and try not to make a mess while mixing. Get your piping bag, still in the cup, and bring it over to your icing tub. Grab your butter knife and carefully scoop your icing into the bag, while being cautious of spilling and not overfilling. Once you have the perfect amount of icing, fold back the excess piping bag that was around the cup and tie them together with a rubber band tightly so no icing will get squeezed out. Place your dominant hand at the base of the piping bag. This will be your lead hand that aims and places the icing on the cupcake. Now place your other hand at the top of the piping bag where the rubber band is. This is where your force comes from to push the icing out of the bag and to stop icing from coming out of the top. It's cupcake time. Decorate your cupcake however you want. Go crazy, but make sure it still looks edible. Share with your friends.